How to fix Windows 11 search not working. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix if your search icon or search bar is not working on Windows. First off, you're going to have to simply go ahead and open up your settings menu. Once settings is open on the left hand side of your screen, you can find the option for personalization. Tap on it. Once you go here, scroll down and find taskbar. And under your taskbar settings, you want to go to search. As you can see here, if your search bar is hidden, you won't be able to find it on your taskbar. So make sure that this is search icon only, which will give you a magnifying glass icon. Or if you do a search box, it's going to give you an entire search box over here, or you can just do search icon and label. This one's pretty minimalistic, so I like this one. Make sure you select it according to your preference. Then what you need to do here is next scroll down here and find the other option. So you basically have to go ahead and click on privacy and security over here, scroll down and find search, click on it. And then from here, you can clear your search history if you want. And there is another way to manage your search. So scroll down over here and then find the option for index troubleshooter. You can run the index troubleshooter if you want. You basically want to head over to advanced indexing option first. And then from here, once you do that, go to advanced again. And then you'll find the option to delete and rebuild the index. So if you're having trouble with it, you can delete it, the entire search index, and then rebuild it back again. It's going to do it automatically, so you don't have to do anything. All right, so once that is done, you want to head over to services. Search for services over here and hit enter. And then from your services, just click on any one of them. Go to Windows, search, find it over here, right click on it, go to properties, and then make sure that the startup type is automatic. Now click on apply, and then OK, and you should be good to go. So these are some of the things that you can do to fix the problem. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.